In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text link to email in Mailerlite. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn regular text into a clickable link inside your email campaign using Mailerlite's built-in editor. First, head to the Mailerlite sign-in page. Once you're there, choose the option to continue with Google. This uses your existing Google credentials for a quick, secure login. When the Google window appears, select the account you use for Mailerlite to complete the sign-in. If you're already logged into Google in your browser, this should take just a second. After you're in, go to the Campaigns section. This is where all of your email campaigns live: drafts, scheduled messages, and sent campaigns. Open the campaign you're working on and click Design Email. That will launch Mailerlite's editor so you can make changes to your content. Inside the editor, find the content you want to link. You can link a button or a line of text, but today we're focusing on text links. Click into the text block and highlight the exact words you want to turn into a link. Using clear descriptive wording is best, something like "read the full guide" or "register here," so subscribers know what to expect when they click. With your text selected, look for the link icon in the formatting toolbar, the small chain symbol. Click it, then choose Insert Link. This opens a small dialog where you'll add the target address. If you don't see the link option, make sure your text is still highlighted. Now type or paste the URL you want to attach. Include the full address, starting with HTTP or to avoid broken links. Take a moment to double check for typos. Links are small but important, and a quick review can save you from sending subscribers to the wrong page. If you're linking to your own site, it's a good idea to use the canonical URL rather than a shortened link for clarity and trust. Once everything looks correct, confirm to insert the link and your selected text will become clickable. A couple of quick tips to keep your links effective. Use relevant, action-oriented text instead of pasting the raw URL, and keep links consistent with the goal of your email. If you're linking multiple times, make sure the primary action stands out clearly so readers know where to click. That's all there is to it. You've signed in, opened your campaign, selected your text, inserted the link, and you're ready to move forward with your email. Thanks for watching and happy sending.